It's that time for the free trade idea from Stats Edge Trading. Again, on Sunday, we run some systems, and those systems kind of guide us into the next week over at Stats Edge Trading. There was a lot of symbols that came through, so thankfully we have a Discord alert bot that will just alert you when the prices are hit. They'll hit your phone, your Apple Watch, whatever. Not a crazy amount came through today. It was kind of active, but this one really kind of caught my eyes, so I wanted to bring it to you guys. Again, as always, make sure you're going to statsedgetrading.com. You're signing up either for the free email list there, and I will just email you when I put out a new video. I have an idea of a stock or something or a trading lesson I like completely for free. You can sign up to that email list there. Also, if you want to try Stats Edge Pro, in which you have access to that Discord bot I talked about, all the symbols or whatever, you can do all of that over at statsedgetrading.com. So without further ado, I want to take a look at this guy who is AMSC. So this came through a newer system that I've talked about on the channel. You can go back and look at the one that I didn't really trust too much because the returns looked pretty nice. We've been trading it for about a month in parallel, and it's been doing all the things that it should do. So it's part of Stats Edge Trading right now. That's part of it. I come up with the idea, I build it, I test it, and if it works well, it goes over to you guys. But this one I just really like because of how tight it is. So this is American Superconductor Corporation. I took a look at it. It's essentially a utility type name that is in the AI space. People, that's why it's getting this kind of big move and this hype that it came from is, yeah, it's in that kind of AI niche, but it's not really a semiconductor play. It seems like it's more, a utility, electronics, that kind of thing. However, a nice tight base here over the last week or so. Had a pretty big push up and then just consolidated so sideways with inside days, nothing really going on. The thing I like about this strategy is even though it has a sub 50-50 win rate, when it's right, it's a 2-to-1 plus risk reward. So a nice breakout on this one, worst case stop. Would probably get out if we came and closed back into this range. We have a stop in place. I'm one that, hey, if we come back in and we just bounce from there, I probably wouldn't take the stop. If we close back into this range, this purple box that I wrote up, I'd probably get out anyway. But yeah, we're just looking to see if this breakout continues. So if this breakout here has legs, if you go back on the weekly chart, we're really at not new all-time highs because we did this craziness, but we're at like multi-years highs. This is 2014. This is 2013. So we're at a pretty significant high breakout. And then we put in this tight little candle here last week, and now we're breaking out of that candle and starting to push higher. So nice little play in the hot sector, nice tight base, nice little breakout. It looks like a very good play. So full disclosure, I'm already in it, so I'm kind of already talking my books, but these are the kind of plays that we're looking at a lot this week. And I think the reason for that is because this is what the SPY has done. Right? The SPY just consolidated sideways with CPI and bank earnings and all kinds of crazy stuff going on tomorrow. This one could go well if we end up getting this continuation. But just like we trade momentum a lot of the times, it's you want to buy in, you want to see that momentum continue quickly. You take your money, you move on. If the momentum reverses at all, you don't just pray that it goes back up. You take your stop, you move on to the next one, knowing, again, a sub 50-50 win rate, but over the long run will still make you money. So there's AMSC. Again, you want to sign up for the free email list, you want to sign up for Stats Edge Pro. All of that is over at statsedgetrading.com. And until next time, I'll talk to you soon.